નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની પ્રિપરેશન માટે એસડીએયુ એમસીક્યુની આપણે સિરીઝની શરૂઆત કરી હતી, જેનો આ 13 પાર્ટ છે. પીબીજી 6.6. આ પાર્ટમાં આપણે કવર કરશું ટિશ્યુ કલ્ચર અને બાયોટેકનોલોજીના એમસીક્યુ. ફર્સ્ટ છે ફાધર ઓફ ટિશ્યુ કલ્ચર, હેબરલેન્ડ. ધ હોર્મોન કાઇનેટિન વોઝ ડિસ્કવર્ડ બાય મિલર. Meristem culture technique was developed by Morel and Martin. Karl Ilecki, basically which of the following? Hungarian engineering. Biotechnology is the controlled use of bioagent. The term totipotency was coined by Morgan. Van Overbeek was used which natural plant product for grow of immature embryo is coconut milk. Overbeek use which natural plant product for grow of immature embryo is coconut milk. First haploid plant was produced from pollen grain of Dhatura by Guha and Maheshwari. The first embryo culture were developed by Henning. The term somaclonal variation was introduced by Larkin and Scrover-Croft. Who is the regarded as father of Indian embryology is Maheshwari. Who were first time used commercial enzyme for protoplast isolation is Cocking. He used first time commercialized enzyme for protoplast isolation. In which year Maxim Gilbert gave ટેકનોલોજી ઓફ ડીએનએ સિક્વેન્સિંગ 1877માં એને ડીએનએ સિક્વેન્સિંગની ગિલ્બર્ટે આપી હતી. બાયોસ્ટિક જીન ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન મેથડ ફોર પ્લાન્ટ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન વોઝ ડેવલપ્ડ બાય ક્લીન. Biostic gene transformation method was developed in year 1987. In which year International Rice Genome Sequencing Project was completed? In 2005 International Rice Genome Sequencing Project છે complete થયો છે. The term biotechnology was coined by Karl Ilecki. BT cotton is isolated by Barton. Biotechnology is the controlled use of biological agent. A chemical used to protect cell tissue against freezing injury is DMSO. Non-coding sequence of gene is intron. Net charge DNA molecule is negative. Which of the following favor root induction in tissue culture? High auxin to cytokinin ratio favor root induction in tissue culture. Progeny regenerate from tissue culture plantlet is denoted as R1. Progeny regenerate from a tissue culture plantlet is R1. Agar is isolated from algae. Most common carbon source in plant tissue culture is sucrose. Shoot proliferation from callus is promoted by BA or BAP. Which of the following is thermoliable compound? Plant growth regulator is a thermoliable compound. Which of the following is not plant tissue culture nutrient medium? S9 is not plant culture nutrient medium, while MS, B5 and Gamborg are plant tissue culture nutrient medium. Unorganized mass of cell is known as callus. The formation of entire plant from cultured plant is known as regeneration. Excise plant portion used in initial plant tissue culture is known as explant. Regeneration of plant tissue culture relatively during organ like stem or tip, like a stem tip, is meristem culture. Growth of tissue culture of living organism in suitable culture medium is known as tissue culture. Commonly used gelling agent is agar. Agarose powder is isolated from algae. The development of structure from unorganized state of differentiate and organized state is a redifferentiate. Development of structure from unorganized state to differentiate and organized state પાછું કરીએ તો એને redifferentiate કહેવાય છે. For filter sterilization, pore size should be less than 0.45 micron. For explant sterilization, 0.1 to 1 percentage mercury chloride concentration is generally used. Which of the following chemical is not used for sterilization? Silicone is not used in a sterilization. Bromide water, HgCl2 અને H2O2 યુઝ થાય છે. 70% ethanol is used for sterilization of explant. Nutrient require more than 0.5 meter per mole per liter. Concentration is known as macronutrient. Nutrient require less than 0.5 mole per liter is concentration is known as micronutrient. Polarity of somatic embryo is bipolar. Embryo rescue technique is help to overcome post-fertilization barrier. The formation of embryo from callus is indirect embryogenesis. Seed production in sterile plant is possible through synthetic seed. High sucrose level act as osmoregulator in pollen culture medium. High sucrose level act as osmoregulator in plant culture medium. Hyperhydration or vitrification problem associated with micropropagation. Hyperhydration and vitrification is problem associated with micropropagation. The development of somatic embryo from other meristematic cell is adventitious embryo. Introduction phase of embryogenesis is promoted by auxin. For embryogenesis, which of the following development event correct sequence? Globular shape, heart shape, torpedo, then cotyledon stage. આ ચાર સિક્વન્સ સાચી સિક્વન્સ છે. globular shape, heart shape, torpedo અને cotyledon stage. Gynogenesis term related to unfertilized ovule. In which phase the rate of cell division is highest? Exponential phase ની અંદર cell division ની rate higher હોય છે. In which phase the rate of cell expanse increase? Linear phase ની અંદર cell expansion increase થાય છે. In which phase both rate of cell division and expansion are decline? તો in declaration phase. Pollen culture medium high sucrose level may be act as osmoregulatory. The technique which used to recover hybrid from sexually incompatible species એમાં embryo culture નો use થાય છે. The ploidy level of primary endosperm is 3N. Pre-fertilization barrier is wide hybridization can be overcome by in vitro pollination. Virus-free plantlet can be produced through meristem culture. The browning of plant tissue culture media is occurred due to polyphenol. Browning of plant tissue culture media is occurred due to polyphenols. The tendency of callus to separate easily is friability. Regeneration of plant tissue of actively dividing organ like stem tips is meristem culture. Regeneration of plant from tissue of actively dividing organ like stem tip is meristem culture. A culture used for triplet production is endosperm. The production of haploid can be done by chromosome elimination, in which phase cell attain capacity of embryogenesis and develop up to globular step is induction. In which phase attain capacity for embryogenesis and develop up to globular stage is induction. The production of haploid embryo or plantlet from pollen grains is androgenesis. Which of the following hormone is used for maturation of somatic embryo is ABA. ABA નો યુઝ થાય છે હોર્મોન છે જેનું મેચ્યુરેશન સોમેટિક એમ્બ્રિયોના. When soma clonal variation is not heritable, it is called epigenetic. When soma clonal variation is not heritable, it is called epigenic. Soma clonal variety of Indian mustard is Pusa Jaikisan. The basis of soma clonal variation is karyotype change, gene mutation and transportable element. Variety developed by soma clonal variation in sugarcane for fizzy disease resistance is Ono. The variety developed by soma clonal variation in Lithyrus sativus for low POAA neurotoxin is Ratan or Ratan. Mustard variety Pusa Jaikisan developed from Varuna, through which technique it is soma clonal variation. Viability generated in tissue culture plant is soma clonal variation. The variation observed among Calyx culture is Calyconal variation. A variation observed among anther, it is androclonal variation. A variation observed among ovule or ovary culture, it is gynoclonal variation. A variation observed among protoplast, then it is protoconal variation. Fertilized ovule culture will produce diploid. Synthetic seed are encapsulated by chemical is Ca alginate. Synthetic seed are encapsulated by chemical is calcium alginate. Encapsulation of somatic embryo is required in the case of synthetic seed. Encapsulation of somatic embryo is required in case of synthetic seed. The encapsulation of somatic embryo is synthetic seed. The encapsulation of somatic embryo is a synthetic seed. The concept of synthetic seed was developed by and used by Toshiba Murashi. Artificial seed may be produced by following way. એક તો desiccated અને hydrated system, A and B both. Pomato is the example of hybrid. Pomato is an example of hybrid. Who use enzyme for protoplast isolation is coking. The cell devoid of cell wall and nucleus. When a cell is devoid of cell wall and a nucleus, it is called cytoplasm. In the case of protoplast fusion, which of the following is correct sentence? Agglutination, membrane fusion, rounding off of protoplast is the correct sequence. Application of electric current for protoplast fusion is electroporation. Spontaneous use or spontaneous fusion of protoplast often produce homokaryon and heterokaryon. Spontaneous fusion of protoplast often produce homokaryon and heterokaryon. Pectinase enzyme isolate from Aspergillus niger. Pectinase enzyme is isolated from Aspergillus niger. Meserozyme is isolated from Rhizopus species. The somatic hybrid with normal protoplast of one species and nucleus-led protoplast or of another species is known as cybrid. A cellulose enzyme derived from fungus. Most commonly used fusogen is polyethyl glycol. Which of the following are used as osmotism? Answer all of this: sorbitol, glucose and mannitol. Osmoticum added in a protoplast isolation for to prevent bursting of protoplast. The osmoticum added in protoplast isolation from to prevent bursting of protoplast. The hybrid produced due to partial hybridization is asymmetrical hybrid. The produce the hybrid produced due to partial dehybridization is asymmetric hybrid. The novel interspecific hybrid pomato is developed by somaclonal hybridization. The hybrid which developed through fusion of two normal protoplasts of different source is cybrid. Next, the enzyme which is used to joining DNA fragment is ligase. Restriction endonuclease, also called molecular scissor. Restriction enzyme protect bacterial DNA by methylation. Enzyme T4 ligase is generally obtained from bacteriophage. The restriction endonuclease were discovered by Smith and Nathans. BAM-HI is belong to which category of restriction enzyme is type 2? Restriction endonuclease having identical recognized sequence but different cleavage site are neo neochizomers. Neochizomers. Which of the following DNA modifying enzyme is S1 nuclease? DNA modifying enzyme is S1 nuclease. The DNA ligase join two DNA molecules by formation of which bond? DNA ligase is joined two molecules of DNA by formation of phosphodiester bond. The recognized sequence of hind 3 is AA, GC and TT. AA, GC and TT is a sequencing recognition sequence of hind 3. એક્ઝામમાં પૂછી શકાય AA, GC અને TT. Widely used restriction endonuclease for gene cloning is type 2. Hind 3 is belong to which category of restriction enzyme is type 2? EcoRI is a type 2 restriction enzyme. Enzyme which degrade nucleic acid is nuclease. The enzyme used to synthesis of cDNA by using mRNA is a reverse transcription. The complementary DNA obtained from RNA is a cDNA. DNA visualized after electrophoresis under UV radiation from due to ethidium bromide. DNA is visualized after electrophoresis under UV radiation due to ethidium bromide. The enzyme of reverse transcripted was discovered by Tenin and Baltimore. The process of removal of non-coding DNA sequence. The process of removal of non-coding sequence from mRNA is splicing. Which of the following dye is used to tracking dye during electrophoresis? Is bromophenol blue. The site recognized by restriction endonuclease is recognition site. The enzyme that cleave or cut nucleic acid at internal site is endonuclease. The restriction endonuclease with identical recognition size and cleavage site is schizomers. The molecule or segment produced by joining together two or more DNA sequence from two or more DNA segment from different organism is rDNA. The molecule or segment produced by joining together two or more DNA segment from different organism is rDNA. The enzyme used for removal of RNA from DNA is known as RNase. Post-transcription modification is known as RNA editing. Post-transcription modification is known as RNA editing. Coding sequence of gene is exon. Non-coding is intron. Enzyme reverse transcripted isolated from retrovirus. The enzyme reverse transcripted is isolated from retrovirus. 1 to 15 kb size of DNA fragment can be accommodated in a plasmid. The organism which is used for cloning foreign DNA in bacteria, it is called vector. The organism which is used for cloning foreign DNA in bacteria, it is called vector. The vector is used for production of protein specified by DNA insert is known as expression vector. The number of plasmid present per bacteria cell is known as copy number. The number of plasmid present per bacteria cell is known as copy number. Vector having common characteristic of both phase and plasmid is phagamid. The cloning capacity of BAC vector is 150 થી 300 kb. Which of the following is a not type of vector? Transmid, plasmid, cosmid અને phasmid આ બધા એના type છે વેક્ટરના. Most of the vector used for transformation of DNA fragment in plant is based on Ti plasmid. Most of the vector used for transformation of DNA fragment in plant use Ti plasmid. The vector which have ability to replicate in a cell of two different species is a subtle vector. The vector have ability to replicate in a cell or cell of two different species or host is a subtle vector. Complementary molecule of DNA join each other by hydrogen bond. The large size of DNA fragment can be accommodated in YAC. Agrobacterium is a gram-negative soil bacterium. Agrobacterium is a gram-negative soil bacterium. Which of the following phasmid of Agrobacterium rhizogene is Ri? Which of the following is not a direct transformation technique? Agrobacterium mediated technique is not direct transformation technique. PEG is used in which of the following transfer method? PEG used in chemical mediated. Which of the following gas is used in microprojectile method? Helium gas is used in microprojectile method. Which part of agrobacterium is transferred in a host plant? એગ્રોબેક્ટેરિયમનો ટીડીએનએ જે હોય છે એ હોસ્ટ પ્લાન્ટની અંદર ટ્રાન્સફર કરવાનો હોય છે. Zingan method is also known as particle bombardment method. Agrobacterium infected only dicot plant due to which chemical compound? Due to acetosyringon. Agrobacterium infected only dicot plant because of chemical compound, it is acetosyringon. The fiber mediated transformation bacteria is delivered into cell cytoplasm and nucleus by silicon carbide fiber. The particle bombardment method for delivering foreign DNA into target plant using helium gas. The particle bombardment method foreign DNA is delivered into targeted plant cell. The gas which is used is helium gas. The DNA is directly injected into the plant. The DNA is directly injected into the plant chloroplast or cell using tipped glass needle is a micro injection. Micro injection is used for injection of DNA into protoplast. A particle widely used in gene gun method. Gold gene gun method is used in this gene gun method. Application of electric current to the cell for transforming DNA. The process it is electroporation. Introduction of DNA into cell via small lipid artificial vesicle, which is known as liquefaction. When we introduce GNA into cell via small lipid artificial vesicle, it is lipofaction. The introduction or transfer of DNA into the cell of the organism by method of other than sexual crossing. When transfer of DNA other than sexual crossing, it is translation or it is transformation or transduction. Transgenic for male sterility, fertility mainly concerned with which gene? ટ્રાન્સજેનિક જીનમાં બર્નેસ એન્ડ બાર્નસ્ટાઇન જીન છે એ કન્સર્ન કરે છે. આનાથી આપણે એક મસ્ટર્ડની DHM11 કરીને એક વેરાયટી અત્યારે બહાર પાડી છે. ક્રાઇવન પ્રોટીન આર ઇન્સેક્ટિસાઇડલ ટુ લેપિડોમ ટેરાન પેસ્ટ. ફ્લેવર સેવર is a popular example of transgenic tomato. આ બાર્નાસ ને બાર્નસ્ટા છે એમાં મસ્ટાર્ડ ધારા હાઇબ્રિડ 11 એનું જેનેટિક્સ ટ્રાન્સજેનિકથી બનાવવામાં આવી છે. એના પછી રાઉન્ડ અપ રેડી ઇઝ ધ પોપ્યુલર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ સોયાબીન ટ્રાન્સજેનિક ક્રોપ. ફ્લાવર સ્લેવર છે એ ટોમેટો માટે, રાઉન્ડ અપ રેડી એ સોયાબીન માટે, અને ઉપર ક્રાઇવન ઇઝ ફ્રોમ લેપિડોપ્ટેરાન પેસ્ટ કોટન. બોલગાર્ડ વેરાયટી ઓફ કોટન આર રેઝિસ્ટન્સ અગેન્સ્ટ કોટન બોલવર્મ, પિંક બોલવર્મ, ટોબેકો બર્ડવર્મ. રાઉન્ડ અપ કેમાં સોયાબીનમાં રાઉન્ડ અપ રેડી ક્રોપ plant tolerant to which herbicide? It's herbicide glyphosate. A transgenic for male sterility and fertility mainly concerned with Barnes and Barstar gene. Golden rice accomplished the requirement of vitamin A. The second generation of transgenic plant is denoted by T1. Flavor saver tomato having characteristic of deep ripening. જ્યારે આપણે ટોમેટોને વધારે ડિસ્ટન્સમાં લઈ જાય ત્યારે વહેલા રાઈપ ન થઈ જાય એના માટે ફ્લેવર સેવર જીનનો ઉપયોગ થાય છે. બાર્નેઝ એન્ડ બાર્નસ્ટાઇન જીન આઇસોલેટેડ ફ્રોમ બેસિલસ અમાઇલોલેક્યુફેસિયન્સ. બીટી જીન આઇસોલેટેડ બાય બાર્ટોન. બીટી જીન is isolated from soil bacterium. A plant developed with foreign gene is a transgenic plant. Cry1 protein insecticide to Lepidopteran pest. Golden rice is a good source of vitamin A. Which of the following cry protein used for protection against Lepidopteran pest? Cry1 AC and Cry2 AB. Which of the following promoter is used for seed specific expression? Vicillin is a promoter for seed specific expression. Which of the promoter specific for anaerobic expression is ADH1? First transgenic plant was produced in which of the following? So first transgenic plant is tobacco. અને હાઈ અત્યારે ટ્રાન્સજેનિક પ્લાન્ટ છે એમાં સોયાબીન વાવવામાં આવે છે. વિચ ટ્રાન્સજેનિક વોઝ પ્રોડ્યુસ વિચ ધ ફર્સ્ટ ટ્રાન્સજેનિક વોઝ પ્રોડ્યુસ વિચ ઓફ ધી ફોલોવિંગ કેરેક્ટર? તો કાનામાઇસિન રેઝિસ્ટન્સ. વિચ યર ફર્સ્ટ ટ્રાન્સજેનિક પ્લાન્ટ વોઝ ડેવલપ? 1983. Which of the following crop transgenic variety flavor saver was first reached to market? This crop is tomato. Which of the following bloating method used for protein? The Western bloating method is used for plotting. Western bloating method is used for protein. The technique which is used to separate DNA fragment is gel electrophoresis. The transfer of nucleic acid fragment from gel nitrocellulose or nylon membrane is known as bloating. The procedure of RNA fragment is transference from agar-aerosol to nitrocellulose membrane is known as northern blotting. એટલે આરએનએ માટે નોર્થન બ્લોટિંગ જ્યારે પ્રોટીન માટે વેસ્ટર્ન બ્લોટિંગ કરવામાં આવે છે. જેલ ડીએનએને સેપરેટ કરવું હોય તો જેલ ઇલેક્ટ્રોફોરેસિસ, પ્રોટીનને કરવું હોય તો વેસ્ટર્ન અને આરએનએને કરવું હોય તો નોર્થન. ડીએનએ ફિંગરપ્રિન્ટિંગ DNA based market related question. In vitro amplification of DNA is done by polymeric chain reaction. The annealing step of PCR involves joining of primer to complementary strand. Extension step of PCR occurs in which temperature is 72 degrees Celsius. PCR નું extension થાય છે. Which of the following is not used for DNA fingerprinting? તો bloating technique છે યુઝ નથી થતી. Short single stranded oligonucleus that is used for DNA amplification in PCR is known as primer. The technique used to separate DNA fragment is gel electrophoresis. Which of the following is not PCR based marker? તો RFLP છે PCR based marker નથી. The fragment of DNA is separated by electrophoresis. A small nucleotide sequence DNA or RNA used to detect presence of complementary sequence from nucleic acid sample is probes. PCR technique were developed by Kerry Mullis. Enzyme used in PCR is take DNA polymerase. Enzyme used in PCR is take DNA polymerase. Take DNA polymerase isolated from Thermus aquatics. Inheritance pattern of RAPD are dominant. The technique of determining the order of base of DNA molecule is DNA sequences. Which of the following is codominant DNA marker? તો SSR and RFLP. RFLP was first molecular marker that was developed in 1980. Which of the following hybridization based on marker? Answer RFLP. Sequence. The sequence information is not required for RADP. Single decamer prime is used for which of the molecular markers? It is RADP. RADP market analytes to template DNA typically at 37 degrees Celsius temperature. AFLP is a dominant marker. Polymorphism in SSR locus typically due to variation in repeat motif. For the separation of RADP marker, typically 1.5% gel is required. RADP marker was developed by Williams. Which of the following market is low reproductive or reproducible is RADP? Variation in SSR motifs generated due to republication change, republication slippage and unequal recombination. Which of the following market non-multi-allelic market is SSR? Microsatellite are repeat of 1 to 6 HP. Then question related to mapping QTL. In 1975, QTL term coined by Gelderman, the region of locus on chromosome associated with expression of qualitative traits. It is called QTL. The region of locus of chromosome associated with expression of qualitative trait. It is QTL. Which of the following variety first in India were developed by marker association selectionist Pusa improved Pusa hybrid Basmati 1? Which of the following character was transferred in improved Pusa Basmati 1 through MASIS bacterial leaf blight resistance? Gene ZA21 અને ZA13 incorporate in Pusa improved Basmati. Which of the following require QTL mapping is mapping population phenotypic data polymorphic molecular marker? Which of the following mapping population immortal or permanent? તો F2 ઓલો DH અને RIL. Which of the following mapping population heterosis effect of locus can be observed? F2 માં heterosis effect જોવા મળે છે. Which of the following is utilized as mapping population backcross line, double hybrid and recombinant inbreed line? Which of the following method used in QTL identification? Single marker approach, simple interval mapping and composite interval mapping. The software package used for QTL detection is QTL cartographer. The distance of market in linkage map is defined as unit of centimorgan. The software package used for construction of linkage map is MapMarker. Thank you. નેક્સ્ટ પાર્ટમાં આપણે સોઇલ સાયન્સના MCQ કવર કરશું.